Welcome to Wonder Top 10. Today we'll be looking at the biggest passenger airplane in the world. This is Emirates model A380. The Airbus A380 is a double-deck, wide-body, four-engine jet airline manufactured by the European aircraft company. Range up to 9,756 miles. Wingspan 262. Length 239. Top speed of 634 miles per hour. Cruise speed 587 miles per hour. Engine type turbofan. First flights April 27, 2015. Thank you for watching Wonder Top 10. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. As always guys, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.